Hello, buddy. Welcome to the Game Report. Yeah, devil monkeys in New Hampshire, guys. I There's really no description of them. No, really, nobody that I know of that I've seen took pictures of these things or drew them that I know of. There might be. There might not be. But let's get down to it, guys. This is New Hampshire. Well, these things date back to the 1950s and early 2000s. There are a lot of stories. I've read a few of them. From one ripping a roof off a car. Yeah, a roof off a car, guys. That's a roof off of a car. Second one went like this. I'll tell you this one. This one, woman and her boyfriend went along a forest road. They stopped because they saw a blood pool in the road. He aimed his headlights up the road and saw what looked like a monkey with a wolf-like fur. You know, fur like a wolf instead of like a monkey. You know how that goes. You know how that is, right? It's like fur, but it's not like a monkey. It's like a wolf. It's really thick, really, I guess, kind of grayish or brownish, whichever. But monkey's fur isn't really thick. It's pretty. It's really is kind of thin. Mm. What I've read from these stories is that it varied. In most stories, they look like long-haired monkeys, but these things are very vicious, guys. I mean, they attack on sight, from what I've read. And so story, and another story, guys. She gives a great but vague description of this thing. I'll let you guys know now. What she said was she said it was about 4 feet tall. He walked on all fours. His fur was gray. That would explain previous ones because it was like wolf-like fur. What you think about wolf is like grayish color, and it was short, except around his feet. No fur. There was no fur around his feet. No fur near his feet. Like most monkeys, fur is not on his feet. It's kind of flat, furless. If I recall correctly, she said if she remembered correctly, his eyes were being red, like a reddish brown color. She said, and she said it seemed very aggressive and threatening, and it made a strange noise, and it had a face of a monkey. Of course. I was some of that from that lady whose boyfriend positioned his headlights at it. Some of it was from another lady. Mm, these things are very vicious. I have what would seem to be. I'll have the. If you want to read more about this, I'll have a link in the description. I wanted to make sure that I had a link before I did anything, so you guys can check it out if you want to. These things are very strange, and they worry me a bit. It makes me not want to go to New Hampshire. Of course, I don't plan to go to New Hampshire at any point in time. You know, there's more of New Hampshire soon, and it doesn't get any better than this. It gets worse. If I recall correctly, when I was doing research, New Hampshire got kind of lengthy. Maybe one, maybe two. Ace was a short one. And I'm already past the 5 minute mark. I told you guys some of these are going to be very lengthy. this isn't one of them. It gets longer. And a little bit more freakier. New Hampshire is one I wanted to do last month. As I record this video, it is still last month. It is the 28th of August. Oh, sorry, 25th of August. You're gonna enjoy September. I hope. Well, with that said, good luck, good night, and God bless.